In this video, let's see how to order a product with quick checkout on Shopping Hub. From the navigation bar, select All. Search for Shopping Hub. Select Shopping Hub Home. Browse for the required product or service using the categories or the supplier's drop-down list. For example, click on Cameras under the Accessory section. Select the product you want to purchase. In the product page, select the quantity. Click Request to Buy to place your purchase request. On the quick checkout form, choose to a saved location for the delivery address. For the delivery time option, select As soon as possible. Select a cost center from the list. Enter the purchase reason. Select Submit Request to place your order. The product purchase has been successfully submitted for approval.